Hello everyone, myself Rajneesh Tiwari and I would like to share something about leprosy. Leprosy is the most common and oldest disease, not a common in now time, but in ancient time, leprosy is also create a pandemic situation like corona in that time. So this is a very chronic infectious disease and causes by Mycobacterium leprae. The symptoms are lessons of peripheral nerves, skin, and mucous membrane also. So leprosy is very dangerous disease. We are discuss right now the symptoms of leprosy. So most common symptoms are skin patches, very various type of skin patches seen in our body, like skins like hands, fingers, and arms. And with the most common thing is that these skin patches having no sensation, having no feelings, even touch, heat, and any pressure, any type of pressures, senses and these patches as having no sensations. These patches color is reddish pale or reddish copper color, and this is also flattened. Flattened means normal, like normal skin shows flattened, and some patches are raised, means like bumps. So lack of sensation is most common. Lack of sensation uh, around these patches have lack of sensation. We are also discussed right now कि lack of sensation, these patches have lack of sensation like around heat, touch, and pain also, and can appear anywhere in our body. So leprosy is a very dangerous disease, and this is divided into three types leprosy. So first one is lepromatous, that is a paucibacillary leprosy. This is a paucibacillary leprosy, also known as lepromatous leprosy. These damage respiration. Respiration means our inhalation and exhalation. So our body required more oxygen in leprosy. So damage of respiration, eyes and skin also. That is a lepromatous type of leprosy. And next one is tuberculoidal. Tuberculoidal, that is a multibacillary leprosy. Affect nerve in fingers, toes, and surrounding skins. This is a tuberculoidal leprosy. And last one is borderline leprosy, has include both type of lepromatous and tuberculoidal type of leprosy, that is a borderline leprosy. So what can leprosy do the peoples? What can leprosy do the people? So see that leprosy attack the cooler area of our body. Leprosy always leprosy attacks in cooler areas of our body. Leprosy destroy neurons in these areas. Leprosy destroy neurons in these areas. So sensations are also destroyed in these area. Means if neurons of these areas, these cooler areas are destroyed, then any sensation of these areas are not sended towards brain, and brain another do not send it message to these areas, so loss because of disturbance, because of neurons distance. So mycobacterium leprae create attacks in cooler areas and create damage of neurons in these areas, so sensation are also damaged. Leprosy also destroy cartilage in those areas to get absorbed back into body, causing fingers, toes, ears, and nose are disappeared. This is the most difficult problem in leprosy. Leprosy means all. If leprosy symptoms seen in our fingers, then day by day they destroy and they shrink, and lastly these fingers are destroyed, disappear in our body. Means leprosy is most dangerous disease. Leprosy also cause large bumps. We are discussed right now कि these skin patches are flattened and raises also. So we can say that कि leprosy also cause large bumps in skin and do not do not have feeling and pain, and do not heal easily. So we are discussing about microbacterium incubation period in human body. So microbacterium lapri multiply very slowly. So symptoms can take as long 20 years to up years. Development of leprosy disease takes from month to year. So we can say that leprosy incubation period is slowly and slowly and slowly. So how can treat leprosy if any patient and any person suffer from leprosy? So how can treat leprosy and which type of drugs we are used in leprosy? So we can use that anti-leprotic drugs, and classification of anti-leprotic drug is firstly we can use sulfone category. Sulfone category which are contain sulfone groups, SO2 NH2 group, that is responsible for their pharmacological action. That is a responsible. These sulfone groups are responsible for the pharmacological action. So sulfones includes dapsone. The drug is dapsone, and dapsone is most potent drug of leprosy in ancient time to now time. Then phenazine derivatives, that is a clofazimine, and that some anti-tuberculotic drugs are also used as an anti-leprotic drug, that is a rifampicin and ethonamide, and some miscellaneous drugs are some miscellaneous drugs, that is antibiotics, and that is ofloxacin, minocycline, and clarithromycin. So we are discuss about dapsone. Dapsone is the most potent and most effective drug in leprosy disease. So dapsone is diamino diphenyl sulfone, and shortly we can say that DDS. DDS stands from diamino diphenyl sulfone, and this DDS contains sulfone group, and sulfone group is responsible for their pharmacological action. Dapsone is simplest, oldest, and most effective drug. We are repeat this term, repeat to repeat. So this is very important drugs. Structurally, sulfone is structurally related to sulfonamide, and sulfonamide is also a type of antibiotic. Okay. So antibiotics. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are those drugs that is derived from microorganism and used for the kill other microorganisms. So we are discussing about dapsone. So right, we are concentrating in dapsone. So dapsone is structurally related to sulfonamide and act as a bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic is those drugs that only stops the growth of bacteria or other microorganism. So we can say that dapsone is the most potent and effective drug of leprosy. Mechanism of action of dapsone is similar to sulfonamide because of both are structurally similar. So PAVA, in these microbacterium leprosy contain in their body PAVA, that is a para-amino benzoic acid, and these PAVA are used. So microbacterium leprae use this PAVA for formation for generation of folic acid, and these folic used for the growth and development of microbacterial leprae. So dapsone incorporate in this process PAVA to preparation of PAVA to folic acid. Dapsone destroy the enzyme dihydrofolic acid synthetase enzyme. So PAVA cannot create folic acid because of dapsone, because dapsone inhibits the enzyme dihydrofolic acid synthetase, also known as dihydrofolate synthetase. This enzyme, after the inhibition of these enzyme, so PAVA cannot generate folic acid, and folic acid is not generated, then growth of microbacteria is stopped. So by this process, dapsone worked that. So this is all about leprosy. Thank you so much.